Ikaw na lang ulit. Ikaw na magaling, ikaw na tama. Ikaw na lang lahat. At ako wala. Wala lang sa'yo. Tae lang naman ako sa'yo eh.
Alam mo ba kung ano ang tawag sa pangit pero hindi niya alam? Tawag niyan, asinto pangit.
May kukwento ako sa'yo. Isang araw, mahal lang kita.
Ako'y tinamaan, puso'y tinamaan. Dahil ikaw lang ang tanging dahilan.
Use money heist in a sentence. Bay, kanusama ni mahuman ang quarantine, oy. Wala na may pagkaon, wala na may money heist.
Kuya, may asawa ka na?
Wala pa.
Kailan ka mag-aasawa?
25 na. Ikaw, kailan ba mag-asawa?
Pag 25 ka na.
Is this a sore throat? Is this just allergies? Caught in a lockdown, no escape from reality. Don't touch your eyes, just hand sanitize quickly. I'm just a poor boy, no job security. 'Cause it's easy spread, even though wash your hands, laying low. I look out the window, curb doesn't look flatter to me.
Tag inside tag.
Put your tongue away. Put your tongue away. Put your tongue away. The squirrels are gonna get it. Yes, they are.
Close your eyes. Now forget what you see. What do you feel?
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
Like so many things, it is not what is outside, but what is inside that counts.
Grabe nakalaay din hi sa balay. Grabe nakalaay din hi sa balay. Grabe nakalaay din hi sa balay. Mura na kog kalay, mura na kog kalay. Grabe jud kalaay mabuang kubay. Grabe nakalaay mabuang kubay. Bisag unsa nila ako istorya bay. Super love sus November, December and blue. How am I gonna take it from black to your man? Answer the Philippine attacks to the blacks. Every word the best and all the fake. Fun of best friend I got and flex the name. Brad, tiloy ka ni Brad. Yak! Marag ihi bay. Ginso niyo pagkabalo, nakatila na kag ihi no? Pastila, nakag-ihi. Abi na ko guys, abi na ko guys.
ko. Love, may tanong lang ako sa'yo.
Ano naman kalokohan yan?
Kasi, itatanong ko, what if kung malaman mo na may kabit ako?
Anong gagawin ko?
Anong gagawin mo sa akin?
Siyempre. Wala lang. Pagluluto kita.
Wow.
Ipapasyal kita sa favorite place mo.
Wow.
Tapos, pagluluto ko kita ng masarap na pagkain.
As in talaga lahat ng masasarap na pagkain.
Yung mga favorite
Wow,
food.
bait naman nila, love.
Siyempre naman, paano ako hindi magiging mabait? Siyempre, last day mo na yun. Siyempre, susulitin natin yung mga araw na andito ka pa. Papakainin kita ng masasarap. Papasyal kita. Gawin natin lahat ng mga gusto mo. Last day mo na yan eh.
English accent. Dad?
Oh.
British accent. Father?
Oh, ano yan?
Filipino accent.
Itay! Isa pa, sasapakin na kita.
Saya accent. Pader.
Bago maulo ron.
Tonight, I just wanna teach you. Para dili mo mayabang og murag singer mo paminahon. Magamit lang mo og TikTok. Tapos pag-auman inyong i-record ang inyong kanta. Tapos i-okay. Tapos inyong tuplugon ang gatong voice effects. Dayon electronic. Dayon mura na dayon mo og singer. Pwede na mo makahimo og album. Murag ako.
Ay, time pa. Ay, sa scroll. Nalang ko iingon sa iyo mo, if ever moabot sa inyong balay ang katong panghatag og relief goods bitaw, and then feel nimo dagan pagkaon, feel nimo dagan pa mo sulod sa refrigerator, kaya ninyo sa tanan nga mo survive og pila pa ka months, baliw ko, balibari na lang. Ingnan na lang nga ihatag na lang to sa uban nga wala pa gikaon karon. Okay. Dagan na inyong pagkaon sa refrigerator. At least man lang ba makatabang ka sa uban? At least sila itong matag sa katong nanginanglan yun o gayuda. Pero kung wala kay salig sa naghatag, edi dawato na lang nimo tapos ikaw na lang maghatag dito sa mga nanginanglan.
7,491, 7,492, 7,490. Ala, nawala! Ulit ako na simula.
The road to success isn't a straight line. Actually, it's not even a wavy line. The road to success is all over the place and full of failure. But you can't give up just because you hit a valley. Keep putting one foot in front of the other, and I promise you, things will get better!
You what?
I just can't stop thinking about waffles.
Well, you had waffles for dinner and you had waffles for breakfast. So we're gonna eat something else.
Oh, I can't stop. Why can't I just stop dreaming about waffles?
I don't know.
I don't know.